Hello again, it's kitchen time once again. The English language, but the English language that is appropriate for the kitchen. So I'm standing in a corner of my kitchen. I spend a lot of time here, but probably my wife spends more time than I do. Now, I'm standing next to certain objects I'm going to explain to you. I'm going to start with this. This is a kitchen cabinet or cupboard. Cabinet. Viene de la misma raíz que la palabra gabinete en español. Cabinet. I have two cabinets. The bottom cabinet, the top cabinet, or the bottom cupboard and the top cupboard. Fijaos. Notice how I pronounce this, because the spelling is cupboard. Originally, it was a tabla sobre la cual se ponían las tazas. It was a board on top of which we placed cups. And so it was called a cupboard. But the evolution of the pronunciation has transformed the pronunciation into cupboard. Cupboard. In the United States, usually we say cabinet, but both are perfect. Cupboard, cabinet. This is the bottom cupboard, the top cupboard. And it's made of glass, and it's very easy to open. And inside, as you can see, there are a lot of glasses. There are wine glasses and normal water glasses, some cups and mugs. This is a mug. This is a coffee mug. All right. This is a plastic, thermal, térmico, beer mug. It keeps the beer cold for longer than a normal glass would keep the beer cold. Here we have a coffee cup, not a cup of coffee. If I fill it with coffee and start drinking, that's different. Then it's a coffee cup, a cup of coffee. But now it's a coffee cup. And if I drop it, it could break very easily. So I need to be careful. Okay, that's the top shelf of the lower part of the cupboard. And on the bottom shelf, we have other types of glasses. Normal water glasses and wine glasses. These glasses are for drinking wine, okay? And if I fill this glass with wine, then I have a glass of wine. But if the glass is not full, it's simply a wine glass, which means the type of glass that is commonly used for drinking wine. And when you pour wine, if I offer you a glass of wine as well, and then together we can toast. And I can say, un brindis is a toast. Similar to the word tostada, but there's no connection between a piece of toast that you can eat and a toast. I would like to make a toast. Quiero hacer un brindis. And often we use wine glasses with wine to toast. Okay. So that's the bottom shelf. Now, behind me is an oven. In fact, there are two ovens. There's a normal oven. This is the oven door. And it has a window. If you're cooking something or roasting or baking something in the oven, you have a window and you can look inside and check if everything's okay. This oven. In an oven, you bake things and you roast things and you broil things, okay? This is the handle. And in order to open the oven, I need to pull on the handle. There's a clock here that says the time, and there are other knobs, K-N-O-B, knob. Como el pomo de la puerta is a knob. This is a knob that you use to control the oven and to set the time or the settings, las fijaciones, the settings, to make something. Okay. To open, as I said a few seconds ago, you pull. This is a normal oven. Let's close it. Above the oven is another oven. Above, not over. Over would be if it's moving over. For example, a plane. If this hand is a cloud, una nube en el cielo, and this is a plane, the plane flies over the cloud. But if there's a lot of clouds and the plane is flying parallel, horizontally, it's above the clouds, okay? When you're talking of level, you're above or below. Okay? And the microwave is above the normal oven. Digo the microwave. También podemos decir the microwave oven. Okay? Now to open this, there isn't a handle. I can't pull this oven open. I have to push or press this button, and presto, automatically the door opens. You see? Okay. You want to see it again? Watch. Fijaos, I use the verb to watch. Because to watch is to fix your vision on an action or activity, not on a person or an inanimate object. If I want you to notice this microwave oven, I will say, look. Look at it. I can't say watch because it's not moving. But if I'm going to do something that requires action, then I say watch. Watch. Okay. I can open the oven and I put things in. I close the oven. I set the time and the intensity with these settings, and then I start and I wait. Normally a microwave oven cooks things more quickly than a normal oven, much more quickly. But some people prefer the more traditional way. Me, it depends. It depends on how impatient I am to start eating, but usually I prefer the traditional cooking. Oven, microwave oven, cupboard, cabinet. There are many things in a kitchen, and I haven't exhausted all the possibilities, and I haven't talked about everything that you can find in a kitchen. So I have no choice. No tengo más elección, no tengo más remedio. I have no choice but to come back another day and talk to you a bit more about my kitchen. Okay, thank you. See you. Bye-bye.